Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium. Ka dukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam. Hakador ka babin.
Hapadeng kajing yaksa jang ki Nongtrei ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council bandawa ya kajing Sngewthuh kabala sakut menta de ki phau banai ubala kamen rumbui ubalong Myntri ubapai ya katanat District Council Affairs ulaong baki Nongtrei jang kani katanat trai kam ki dei ban Sngewthuh ru ba Kumno ka council ka hab ban yang halaki jang ki kejat nakabanta ban Kyrshan Lade yalade Haba ay nuksa ya kasen jam balashim da ka Sngewthuh Hills Autonomous District Council uba la kamen rumbui ula ay jingmut ru bakan jin dala bhashibun ya ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council bakan pundunano ka jingthep kam khnang ban weng ya ka jing kabala ban kta na ka jing bamla ban sew ya ka tulop sheki Nongtrei
GHDC or any autonomous council, they are appointing authority and they are the one who will pay their employee salary. Having said that, I'm very grateful at least the Honorable Chief Minister, he tried to provide some fund, more than what, some fund at least for the autonomous council, GHDC So having said that, even now also, we have to spend for election. So election also, it is duty of the fund is to be from the autonomous council, respective autonomous council only. So, but the government from time to time is trying to help, but how long? They have to sustain themselves. I'm very happy with the GHDC, which have about 2,000 employees. Last year, they have taken, I think it's a big, I must congratulate the executive committee of GHDC that they have passed a resolution in the House to abolish about more than 300 posts. That means that as and when there are some category of posts, as and when the incumbent employee retired, no more new appointment against those posts. So from about 1,900 posts, then they will reduce to about 1,500 or 1,400 posts. So this is a first step. So I request each and every autonomous body, they should follow the same example set by the GHDC. It is not very easy as a politician to take a decision to abolish posts of more than 300. But they are not abolishing now. As and when somebody retired in that particular post which they have identified in the resolution, then that post will not automatically become redundant. The post is no more. If all district council did that, it will be a major reform, and the time will come that they can sustain themselves also. The government is exploring all the possibilities to help this autonomous council, but having said that, it is not a very easy. It's not a very easy. It is not a matter of 1 crore, 2 crores, 5 crore. It is a matter of many crores. So let's hope, as any report from the respective Department of Mining and Geology, Forest and Environment, how much is the entitlement. But to the best of my knowledge is that the government, in fact, advance have been paid to the best of knowledge, but I have to verify that fact with me, with the concerned department. You see, the district administration will take a necessary step that election will be held smoothly, and this is not a new thing. It is a long pending issue. I'm very sympathized with the employee, but we have to take everything in a positive way, that at some point of time, maybe, as I said before, GHDC has taken a lead in reforming itself, and maybe other autonomous council also will try to reform so that they can sustain themselves. The only thing they can do is that they have to find ways and means to sustain themselves. To depend only from the state government, I think it is not possible. Having seen that even the state government also, they are also under constraint. to the best of my thing, it is every organization, every bodies, they have some rules, which if they manage carefully, the relevance of this council is very much there and very much there. Because sometimes now, if you tell me why you didn't abolish local darbar, huh? When you have this other system of governance, it is not possible. This is a traditional body, and moreover, since 1952, we have lived it. Only thing is that we have to streamline, and we have to see how to empower them, and we have to see also how to help so that they could sustain themselves. Personally, I feel that the autonomous body, what is need to be done is that we have to, some strong measure have to be taken so that they could be streamlined, and whatever revenue to be they should get also, they should they should plug all the loopholes so that maximum revenue could be generated from respective this council areas.
Hakabaya debat kajing bempat yo tulop jong ki Nongtrei Gagaro Hills Autonomous District Council menta lalai pau benai kinti uba lak men rumbui ula ong bak sorkar jela ye menta kadang wat ye kilat kilenti ban yarap ye kene ka office traikam kabadan harilom garo kenang ban yo pen khoi no ya ka tulop ka baki Nongtrei kidang dei ban yo.
Whatever the government has done, I don't follow up what they have paid or not. So, but whatever they have paid, I think they have paid. And whatever balance, if it is there, the government, whatever commitment, they will fulfill at the appropriate time. At the appropriate time, I cannot say today or tomorrow. As I said before, this is not the government try to help, and will try to help, but the financial, the government also, they have as financial constraints, so it's not very easy for the government to do everything in one go.